What if you could begin earning additional money this week without having to spend any money at all? Perhaps you believe that in order to make money, you must have money, but that is untrue. I will show you 5 real side hustles in this video that don't require any initial investment. They are easy to use, safe, and you can begin right now. Welcome back to all of you. For the past couple of years, I've been creating side businesses on my own, starting with nothing, and I've assisted friends in doing the same. I am aware of how initially overwhelming it can feel. I'm giving you a clear, detailed plan today instead of just exchanging ideas. After watching this video, you can actually begin any of the hustles I mentioned, all of which are safe and require free tools. Now let's get started. Let's correct your mindset before we dive into the concepts. This is about working hard to earn real extra money. You won't become wealthy overnight. Start with what you already have: your time, your abilities, or items in your house. Always prioritize your safety by using reputable websites and never disclosing personal information such as your home address. Keep in mind that this is about working honestly, not taking dangerous shortcuts. You get it? Let's now discuss hustle ideas. Let's move on to the actual part now. I'll give you 5 easy side hustles that you can start right now for no money. For every concept, I'll explain what it is, how to start for free, and one crucial piece of advice to keep yourself safe and intelligent. Let's begin by selecting the option that best suits you. Hustle 1 is freelancing your skills. Let's start with freelancing. This entails receiving compensation for a talent you already possess, such as writing, drawing, or social media assistance. On websites like Upwork or Fiverr, you can begin for free. Simply make a basic profile that demonstrates your abilities. Use the platform's messaging and payment system at all times to stay safe. Even if your first job is small, it's a great place to start. Hustle 2 is selling stuff you already own. Next, sell items that you no longer require. Look around your house for used electronics, clothing, or well-maintained books. Take a clear picture and share it for free on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. People are constantly searching for discounts. My safety rule is to only use secure payment apps and meet the buyer in a crowded public area, such as a coffee shop. But it's an easy way to earn money and clean up at the same time. Hustle 3 is content creation. Why not make your own content since you're already watching it? It costs nothing to launch a blog, TikTok, or a YouTube channel. Simply use free apps on your phone, such as CapCut or Canva. Discuss your passions, such as gaming, cooking, or fashion. Don't worry about earning money immediately. Start by posting frequently to develop a small following. Later on, you can make money from sponsorships or advertisements. It's enjoyable and free to start, but it requires patience. Hustle 4 is online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at something, such as math, languages, playing the guitar, or even fitness, you could teach this online. You could teach online for free using video software such as Zoom or Google Meet. You could find your first lessons from Facebook groups in your local area or from a website such as Preplay. Begin with offering the first lesson for free, showing your personality. It's a very fulfilling way to earn money. Hustle 5, micro tasks and small gigs. Finally, if you need a small amount of money right away, you can even try micro tasks. These are simply small jobs you can do for people over the internet. And these small jobs involve things like filling out surveys, testing websites, and transcribing a voice message. You can get the websites for free, and the most famous ones are UserTesting and Survey Junkie. Action plan. Okay, so what's the plan now? Take one of these hustles you're passionate about and go for it. Step 1 is to take action on day 1, whether it's signing up for a free profile or putting up the first item for sale. Step 2 is to spend a bit of time on it every day or week. And third, when you finally earn a bit of money, you could contemplate putting it back into a good microphone for tutoring or a Canva Pro account. Conclusion. There you have it. 5 real side hustles you can start with zero money. Remember, most times the hardest thing is simply to start. Choose one of these ideas and take that first step today. You've got this. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. Tell me in the comments which hustle you're going to try first. And subscribe for more simple, honest tips on making extra money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.